Okay, so let us start today with the data system. Yeah, the first one, this one. Okay, so right along with me. We are first starting with the data system under dependent branch. Okay, branch accounting में the accounting systems are two. Okay, the data system and the stock and data system. Okay, now which type of branch adopts this type of system? Okay, just write down. This system is adopted by branches which are small in size. Small in size. Okay, write it down. As per this system, okay, that is under this system, what happens is the head office HO opens a separate account for each branch. Okay, yeah, remember this, for each branch, which is called as, yeah, I'm writing that down, which is called as branch account. Okay, so this is the highlight. Okay, open separate account for each branch. Okay, which is known as a branch account. But why are they doing this? क्यों बनाते हैं? Obviously for the purpose, okay, for the purpose to find out your the profit and loss of the branch, for the purpose of finding profit or loss of the branch. Okay, so in short, what am I doing? In the books of HO, I am making branch account. Okay, okay, तो इसके पीछे लॉजिक क्या है? The HO considers branch as a debtor, and so accounting entries are made treating branch as a personal account. Okay, don't forget this point. ठीक है, सो अगर इन अ नटशेल में आपको ये एंट्री मतलब ये लाइन का मीनिंग समझाओ तो व्हाट इज इट? व्हाट आर वी डूइंग इन द बुक्स ऑफ HO? Okay, we are passing journal entries in the books of HO. We are making branch account. Okay, इसका ये मीनिंग होता है. Why? Because लॉजिक क्या है? Because the HO considers branch as a debtor. Okay, this is important. Okay, and accounting entries are made treating branch as a personal account because debtor is under the category of personal account. समझ में आया everyone? Is it clear to your? Okay, fine. Thank you. Okay. Now, which types of transactions are recorded here? Because what did I write? In the books of HO, we make what? We make branch account. Okay. So, which type of what do you call transactions are recorded? Okay. So, just give the heading transactions. Okay. Recorded. Okay. So, which types of transactions are recorded under data system? The transactions which is between Okay, transactions recorded between first the HO and branch. Okay, second HO and others in relation to branch. HO and others in connection to branch. Others in relation to branch. Okay, and next, third one, branch and the HO. Branch and the HO. So these types of transactions will come into consideration. ठीक है? Yeah. इसके अलावा ओके इसके अलावा भी you have to consider certain things apart from the above. Okay, these things are also considered, like value of stock at the branch. Okay, then daters in respect of branch sales. Okay, branch daters की मैं बात कर रही हूँ. Okay, next, cash on hand at branch. Okay, then your creditors, for what? In connection to goods purchased and expenses in relation to branch. Okay, and last, prepayment of expenses. Okay, prepaid expenses, I mean that. Okay, prepayment of expenses. Okay, so all these things are considered. Okay, just make a note of the transactions between the HO and the branch, HO and others in relation to branch, branch and the HO, and apart from 1, 2, and 3, you are going to consider the following items also. Okay, now let us write down the accounting entries, that is the journal entries. Okay, so this is very important from examination point of view, your accounting entries. This is very very important. Okay, okay. Divide your page into two. We will be writing the transactions and the journal entries side by side. Okay, right. Give the heading transactions, and here you write journal entries. Okay, this is what we are going to consider. Okay, journal entries and transactions. Okay, so the first transaction that you are going to consider is, yeah, goods sent to branch by HO or any other branch. Okay, so like this, goods sent to branch. Obviously, who will send the goods to branch? The HO. Okay, head office main है ना, तो head office ही गुड्स भेजेगा किसको, अपने ब्रांच को. ओके. Any other branch means you would have multiple branches also. So based on that. Okay? Yeah. So just think from whose point of view are you going to pass this journal entry. Okay. Now, henceforth, goods sent to branch के लिए I will be using this word, students. This word is allowed. GSTB. Goods sent to branch. Okay. We will be using this word. GSTB. Okay. Now think from HO's point of view, because we are passing journal entry from whose point of view? From HO point of view. ठीक है. तो HO के लिए क्या हो रहा है? HO के लिए तो गुड्स बाहर जा रहा है, और ब्रांच के लिए क्या हो रहा है? ब्रांच के लिए गुड्स अंदर आ रहा है. Okay. तो who is the receiver of benefit? Branch is the receiver of benefit. So we are treating branch as what? Personal account. Okay. Correct. Yeah. और दूसरा अगर तुम लॉजिक लगाओगे, गुड्स आर रिसीव बाय ब्रांच. ओके. तो डेबिट व्हाट कम्स इन. And if you put the personal account rule, we are treating branch as a personal account, right? Just now I said. So debit the receiver of benefit. Okay. So branch account will be debit. So write down branch account debit to who's sending the goods. For HO, goods is going out. The credit what goes out. Okay. So to goods sent to branch account, GSTP account. Is that clear to you? Is that clear to everyone? Goods sent to branch account. Is the first journal entry clear to everyone? Okay. Goods sent to branch by HO or any other branch. So journal entry will be branch account debit to goods sent to branch account. Okay. Yeah. Next, next that we are going to take into consideration is goods returned by branch. Is entry ka opposite. Okay. So write down goods returned by branch. Opposite of the first entry. Goods returned by branch. Okay. To HO. Obviously. Goods returned by branch to the head office. Okay. Or any other branch. Or any other branch. So what are we going to do? फर्स्ट एंट्री को रिवर्स कर दो. ये जो एंट्री हमने पास की थी, इसका उल्टा कर दो. ओके. नो दीक्षा, यू कैन नॉट राइट द वर्ड सेल्स. नो. ओके. इट्स नॉट सेल्स. वो सिर्फ गुड्स दे रहा है. ब्रांच जब बेचेगा तब सेल्स का एंट्री रिकॉर्ड होगा. इज दैट क्लियर? या. इट इज मियर ट्रांसफर. HO, say your HO is in Bandra. Okay. Your head office is in Bandra, and say your branch is in Malad. Okay, so how are you? So what is happening? Branch is short with goods, so HO is providing the goods to them. अभी suppose branch के पास 200 units है. Okay, say talcum powder का 200 units है, और branch को requirement है 300 units का. तो HO branch को और 100 units देगा, तब जाके उसका डिमांड पूरा होगा for the talcum powder in the area of Malad. इज दैट क्लियर? सो दिस इज, सो ब्रांच के नॉट से कि उसने सेल्स किया है. सेल्स कौन करेगा? ब्रांच बेचेगा तो ब्रांच सेल्स करेगा, तो HO थोड़ी ना सेल्स का एंट्री डालेगा. इज दैट क्लियर? ओके. ओके. सो second entry will be reverse of the first one, GSTB to branch. Okay. Why? Because branch we are treating it as a personal account and he is the giver of benefit. So credit the giver. Okay. और HO के बुक्स में गुड्स वापस आ गया, बिकॉज ब्रांच ने HO को गुड्स वापस भेज दिया. तो डेबिट व्हाट कम्स इन. समझ में आया? आर यू गाइज अंडरस्टैंडिंग? वेरी गुड खुशी. ओके. थर्ड वन. So think from HO point of view, students. Think from HO point of view. I'm again and again saying. Cash remitted. Remitted means to give. Okay. Cash diya. Cash remitted to branch. Okay. Cash remitted to branch or paid to others. मतलब to other branches. Okay. So just remember one thing, students. Okay. डेटा सिस्टम में क्या होता है, एचओ और ब्रांच होता है। ओके, तो डेटा सिस्टम में ब्रांच को अगर कुछ भी चाहिए ना, वो एचओ के थ्रू लेगा। अगर ब्रांच को गुड्स चाहिए तो उसको एचओ देगा, ब्रांच को कैश की ज़रूरत है तो वो उसको एचओ देगा। समझ में आया? ओके, द ट्रांजैक्शन विल गो लाइक दिस, राइट। और ब्रांच क्या करेगा, जो भी कुछ एक्सेस बच जाएगा वो एचओ को रिटर्न करेगा, कैश वो डेली बेसिस पे एचओ को रिटर्न करेगा। सो द प्रोसेस इज लाइक दिस, एचओ विल गिव गुड्स टू द ब्रांच फॉर द गुड्स दे नीड टू बी सोल्ड, and HO will give the required cash to the branch for the expenses which will be done in cash। और ब्रांच के पास जो भी पैसा आएगा, ओके, वो अपने पास नहीं रखेगा, वो HO को वापस देगा, सेम वे, दैट इज द assumption। Am I clear? Am I clear? That is why what they are saying, cash remitted to branch, okay? Cash remitted to branch or paid to others. So who will pay this? HO will pay this, right? तो ब्रांच के लिए तो पैसा अंदर आ रहा है, तो ही इज द रिसीवर ऑफ बेनिफिट, पर्सनल अकाउंट रूल, डेबिट द रिसीवर, सो ब्रांच अकाउंट डेबिट, ओके। टू, हु इज द गिवर ऑफ बेनिफिट, या ब्रांच के लिए, ब्रांच के पास पैसा आ रहा है, किसने दिया ये पैसा ब्रांच को, एचओ ने। तो एचओ के बुक्स में तो एचओ के लिए तो कैश बाहर जा रहा है, तो क्रेडिट वॉट गोज आउट। Okay, so my journal entry will be branch account debit to cash bank account. Okay, yeah, very good, Diksha. Branch account debit to cash bank account. Okay, so logic समझो, इसके पीछे, किसके पीछे, the journal entry that you're passing. Okay, so this cash which is remitted, okay, I will write it for you। ये जो कैश रेमिटेंस हो रहा है ब्रांच को, ओके, ये क्यों हो रहा है, why this cash is remitted to branch, so that the branch can make, yeah, payments, payment of expenses related to branch can be done, so branch needs money, that is why the HO gives money to the branch। Am I clear? Cash remittance क्यों होगा branch को, because of the payments of expenses which is happening at the branch। Okay, okay, or you can write this for all your reference, goods sent to branch, why will these goods be sent to branch, why are you going to send these goods to branch, obviously, why, okay, what is the crux of this entry, for value of goods sent to branch, okay, it means that, ओके। और ये जो गुड्स रिटर्न है, ये कौन सा गुड्स रिटर्न है, पॉइंट नंबर 1 वाला, ओके, ओके, दिस इज नथिंग बट पॉइंट नंबर 1 वाला, ओके, गुड्स रिटर्न बाय ब्रांच, गुड्स रिटर्न by the branch। Okay, so try and understand this way, students, you will get it। यहाँ तक सबको समझ में आया? ओके, ओके, दीक्षा अभी तक सेल्स नहीं हुआ है, सेल्स जब होगा तब हम सेल्स का एंट्री डालेंगे, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट, फोर्थ वन, एक्सपेंसेस इन रिस्पेक्ट ऑफ ब्रांच पेड बाय एचओ। सो कभी कभी क्या होता है, एक्सपेंसेस आर पेड बाय एचओ नॉट बाय द ब्रांच, आई मीन एचओ पेज इट डायरेक्टली, okay, the expenses in respect of branch paid by HO, okay, instead of branch paying this, HO ही directly branch के behalf पे पे कर देता है, okay, which, okay, याद रखना all these small things यहाँ। so इसका मतलब क्या होता है, payment of expenses relating to the branch, obviously. Okay, it's in connection to payment of expenses in relation to the branch. Okay, so obviously same journal entry आएगा. Okay, but the reason is different. Yeah, don't forget that. Branch account debit to cash bank. Okay, but the reason is different है students. Concept by reason अलग है. Entry same है, but दोनों का reasoning different है. That is cash remitted to branch, and this is expenses of the branch only, but which is directly paid by HO. ओके, एचओ ने क्या किया, सपोज ब्रांच को खर्चा करना था, तो ब्रांच के पास पैसा नहीं था, तो एचओ ने ब्रांच के बिहाफ पे डायरेक्टली पेमेंट कर दिया. एंड इन द थर्ड केस व्हाट इज हैपनिंग, branch wants money, but first HO is giving money to the branch and then branch is making the payment. Okay, it is that concept. ठीक है. Okay, next I'll continue here. Okay, I'm just continuing here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth one I'm writing here. Okay. Next will be provision for expenses related to branch. Okay, provision for expenses related to the branch. Related to branch. Okay. Now what is this? This is nothing but provision for unpaid expenses. Okay. Okay, so this is nothing but, just write down, provision for unpaid expenses. Provision for unpaid expenses. Okay, so what journal entry will you pass? Branch account debit. Branch के लिए तो खर्चा है ना. Branch account debit to unpaid expenses मतलब outstanding. To outstanding expenses account. Okay. Okay. Next, point number 6. Okay. Point number 6, charging depreciation. Right? Charging depreciation on assets obviously used at branch. Okay. So what will be the journal entry related to this? Obviously journal entry क्या है? Depreciation का. Depreciation account debit to asset account, right? But डेप्रिसिएशन कौन चार्ज कर रहा है? ब्रांच के लिए डेप्रिसिएशन क्या है? खर्चा है. ओके, इट्स एन एक्सपेंस. तो ब्रांच विल राइट ब्रांच अकाउंट डेबिट टू एसेट अकाउंट. ओके, ब्रांच अकाउंट डेबिट टू एसेट अकाउंट. ओके, नेक्स्ट कैश रेमिटेड. ओके, मतलब गिवन. कैश रेमिटेड बाय ब्रांच, अभी उल्टा है. कैश रेमिटेड बाय ब्रांच टू एचओ. अभी ब्रांच एचओ को कैश दे रहा है. क्यों दे रहा है? ब्रांच ने कोई सेल्स किया होगा ना, ब्रांच के पास पैसा आया है, तो ब्रांच एचओ को वापस देगा. ओके, ब्रांच इज नॉट अलाउड टू कीप एनी एक्सेस कैश विद देम. they have to return it to the HO. That is the critics of data system. Okay, तो cash remitted by branch to HO. ओके, तो किसको पैसा मिल रहा है? HO को पैसा मिल रहा है, तो HO के लिए डेबिट व्हाट कम्स इन, तो कैश बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट टू branch account. Branch is a personal account we are treating here. Okay, so credit the giver of benefit. Okay, next, amount received. Okay, that is money received. Amount received from a customer. Okay, customer means debtor. From a customer and other sundry incomes, मतलब miscellaneous income of branch by H. ठीक है, फाइन. पैसा किसके पास आ रहा है अल्टीमेटली? वी आर राइटिंग फ्रॉम हुज पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू? फ्रॉम द पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू ऑफ एच ओ. ओके, नाउ व्हाट इज दिस? अमाउंट रिसीव फ्रॉम कस्टमर एंड व्हाट इज दिस अदर सन्ड्री इनकम? ये सब क्या है? राइटिंग इट हियर. दिस इज नथिंग बट money received from third party with respect to branch sales or branch income. Okay, सी एक चीज याद रखो, एच ओ और ब्रांच. ठीक है, एच ओ बांद्रा में है और ब्रांच आपका मलाड में है. एक कस्टमर आया, कस्टमर सी, उसने ब्रांच में जाके खरीदा, मलाड ब्रांच में जाके, तो सेल्स किधर हुआ? इधर हुआ. ओके, पैसा किसको मिला? ब्रांच को मिला. बट ब्रांच क्या करेगा? ये पैसा जो उसको कस्टमर से मिला, उस ये बी फॉर दिस ब्रांच, फॉर ब्रांच the C is a customer, correct? So the sales happened at Malad branch, but this money which has come out of the sales will go back to HO only. ये पैसा HO के पास ही जाएगा इन शॉर्ट. ओके, ब्रांच को कुछ भी मिसलेनियस इनकम भी हुआ तो भी वो पैसा HO के पास जाएगा. Okay, branch is not allowed to keep any money there. Okay, so the journal entry will be what? Who is getting money? HO is getting money. In short, you have to think from HO's point of view. Branch account debit to who will give this money? Obviously, the sales has happened at Millard, so the branch will give money to them. So to the credit of benefit, credit the giver, right? Personal account का rule है ना, credit the giver of benefit. समझ में आया everyone? Is this clear till here? See, Anaga, sundry debtors क्यों नहीं आएगा? Because in the initial part when I was doing this, what did I tell you? In the books of accounts of HO, branch account is considered as a debtor. Okay, so branch का जो debtor है, that will not be considered as a debtor to the HO. सेल्स किधर हुआ है? ब्रांच में हुआ है. पैसा किसको मिला है? ब्रांच को मिला है. तो व्हाट इज द रूल? दैट ब्रांच विल give the money back to the HO. Okay, so that is why daters will not come into picture. Is this clear, Anaga? Yeah. You are passing journal entries from the point of view of HO, Anaga, not from the point of view of branch. Is that clear? अगर तुम बोलोगे ब्रांच के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से जर्नल एंट्री करनी है तो येस, देन सन्ड्री डेटर्स विल कम इन द पिक्चर। बट हम किसके पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से जर्नल एंट्री डाल रहे हैं? फ्रॉम द पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू ऑफ the HO. That is why it is called as the dater system, na? Because the HO is considering the branch as a dater. Okay, and so we are applying the rules of personal account. Dater is a personal account, right? Personal account will debit the receiver of benefit and credit the giver of benefit. Is that clear, Anaga?